Are we broadcasting again? Good. Again, SWAT officer Vandermark here. We took a beating out there, but the broadcast is up. We can't survive another hit. We're gonna go down for a little bit, but when we come back, we'll have more information for you. But they tracked us here. Get everyone down in the bunker now. Get them in the bunker now. We'll be back. We will be back.
Hello there. So I have 2 kids books out of my 4 kids book series, self-published on Amazon. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you get these books for free.